Hi everyone, this is Peter at Dakota Plains with your April 30th market update. We had another good trading session today. It looks like corn closed up 9, soybeans closed up 12, and winter wheat closed up 3. We were a little bit sluggish out of the gates this morning. The outside markets certainly weren't helping us any. We did have a slightly worse than expected consumer spending report, and that pressured the Dow, and in turn it propped up the US dollar, which put some pressure on the grains at the open. We did have some fresh bullish information to consider today. Informa did come out and cut their estimate of Argentine soybean production by 5 million metric tons, so they now have that crop pegged at 40 million metric tons. It'll be interesting as we go forward here to see if that crop continues to shrink. Some in the trade are fearing a sub 40 million metric ton number when it's all said and done. We did see an announcement regarding a fresh U.S. export sale this morning. Looks like this time it'll be 220,000 metric tons of soybeans to China for 12/13 delivery. Not too surprising that they continue to be aggressive as far as securing U.S. soybeans for 12/13. There are some concerns in the market right now regarding South America's production and how small it might be when it's all said and done. So South America's bids to the global market just aren't competitive right now, and as a result a lot of that business is getting forced towards the United States. Strong basis levels on corn continue to support that market, and in particular it's magnifying the inverse between May and July corn futures. So we here at Dakota Plains expect that trend to continue as we go forward. Basis is certainly ramping up, especially in the eastern corn belt right now. Thanks to improving sentiment throughout the day, we did see the fund step in and buy some corn and bean contracts at the end of the day. So that's why we saw the late day rally, and that's why we finished as strong as we did. Crop progress report was released this afternoon. Looks like we are 53% planted on corn here in the U.S. That compares to 28% last week, and the trade was looking for a number somewhere between 40 and 45% complete. So we are a little bit ahead of what the trade was expecting. The winter wheat good to excellent rating did improve by a percentage point, so we're now 64% good to excellent on that crop. So hopefully everybody has a good evening, and we'll hope for another good day in the markets tomorrow. We'll talk to you later.